Let's learn character bei. In ancient writing systems, the character bei resembles two men standing back to back. China's enemy was usually from the north. When the enemy was defeated, their soldiers would turn around and run towards the north for their lives. So bei means north and also means be defeated. The stroke order of bei. This afternoon there will be a meeting in the south and north ends of the church. Children will be baptized at both ends. North, bei, bei. Let's learn character bin. In ancient writing systems, the character bin resembles two men linked together. Its primary meaning is to combine, to merge, side by side. Bin means combine, merge. Bin means parallel ways. Bin means equally, side by side. Bin means at all. I don't want to stand side by side with him at all. Bin means and. The stroke order of bin is not that I'm afraid to die. I just don't want to be there when it happens. It's not that I'm afraid to die. 我并不怕死。